about some food. Hala, ba't nakapaa?
Apple. Ito, may apple ba? Ano speaker?
Mga ninangs.
Hindi ko na lahat.
Mga binininangs nyo.
Akala ko sa ako preferred ako dito. Uy, mag-thank you naman kayo. Thank you po. Okay, very good.
Nakapaa lang, kawawa naman.
Ang iwan mo yun, ang dami ng pumunta. Sorry lang kasi nalilig ko lang.
Ay,
Hindi yung mansanas.
may pagkain kami.
Kaya.
Okay.
Pension ako sa kami. Wala dito.
Interview pa tayo.
Hi! By the way, nagkukumo ako. Baka lang may masabi.
Bini. Search mo Bini. And ayun. Yes.
Oh! Vlog.
Mag-ayos kayo, hindi kayo mag-artista. Ang gwapo yung dalawa.
Bini promote.
Ay, maganda ka! Oh my
Hindi daw siya gwapo, maganda daw.
Okay lang yan. Basta mabuti ka. Oh my gosh! Kuya! Ngayon, rest na.
Umuulan. Lalo kuya, sorry. Ano? Wait lang. Kuya, pasensya ka na. Sana pala hindi na ako nag-order. Oh my God, kuya, pasensya ka na talaga. Kasi kanina hindi umuulan. Wala, sorry talaga, kuya. Isat yung grab. Wait lang, kuya, pasensya na talaga. Okay, darating na siya. Parating na siya. Thank you po. Salamat po. Ingat po.
Gusto niyo ba? Ilan pa?
Colette! Hoy, wag nyo kami if inaano namin si Ate Jo. May consent yun. Lahat ng inaano ko kay Ate Jo, ha? May consent yun sa Twitter. Yung pagbabardo namin kay Ate Jo, may consent yun. Ayun. Basta, alam namin is kung kailan kami titigil mag-joke. Alam namin if we cross the line na alam namin if bad trip na si Ate Jo. Kasi gano'n naman dapat. I mean, you guys are friends, but you shouldn't always, alam mo yun, make fun of that person to the point na kakairitahan ka na niya. Kakairitahan ka na niya. Hindi. Favorite ko si Ate Jo. I love Ate Jo. I love her with my whole heart. If ever lalabas kaming girls, if may gusto kami puntahan ganun, tapos hindi siya sasama, parang ayoko na rin sumama. Ganun, parang siya yung ticket ko sa mga pupuntahan ko. Same with Ate Colette, parang if di siya pupunta, ba't pa ako pupunta? Wag na, ayoko na. Tinamad na rin ako. Ganun. Gusto ko kasi lagi silang kasama. Everywhere, kahit sa CR. Eme! Charot. Yun na naman, I love Ate Jo. Like, without her talaga, I can't imagine Beanie without her. She completes the group. Wow! Eme yun ha! She completes the group. Wow! Big word. Magmamayabang ko ba yun? Sabihin ko sa kanya bukas, Ate Jo, you complete us. Gagawin ako sa kanya. May video. Ate Jo, you complete Beanie. Gagawin ako.
Parang si Ate Ayo yung type ng tao na willing to sacrifice kahit ano para sa taong mahal niya. Yun. And nagagawa niya yun sa atin.
Oo.
Yeah.
Anong wish mo ngayong birthday mo? Ang wish ko lang is makasurvive ngayong training and makomplete lahat ng tasks for Grand Beaniverse. I just hope that the concert will be successful and I hope that one day I will be contented and happy. And I hope one day makapag-coach na kami.
What message would you give to your younger self?
Okay. Just keep it short, okay? Hi, Joanna. Hi, Joanna. Don't give up. Everything will be worth it, and you'll find your star.
Hi, Sheena. One by one. Sheena, just trust yourself. You can do it. Even though you're shy, you're still gonna achieve so much things in life.
To little Aya, quit being shy because you're gonna do more. And if you just do it at a very young age, you're gonna, do more.
To little Maloy, just live your life. Risking is better than regretting.
Hi, little Colette. Keep fighting and thank you for staying alive.
Hi, little Mika. I hope that you learned Bisaya and I hope that you took dance classes and voice classes.
Same. Hi, Gwen. Don't overthink. You're doing great. And trust the process. You can do it.
Hi, little Stacy. Always remember that always do your best and God will do the rest. Amen.
Yung sa panonood ng Tating Ilog, guys, sobrang proud na proud kami kay Jo. Kasi, nung hindi pa kami nanood, like last week, nag-breakdown siya sa amin. Guys, panoorin niyo na ako. Gusto niya nang manood kami. So actually, dapat December pa kami manood. Sabi niya, girls, panoorin niyo na ako. Gusto niya nang manood kami. Thank you guys. Si Gani na sa taas. Hi. I'm gonna do one of watch me cook. Please hear my voice. Guys, narinig niyo ba si Gani po yun? You're cooking. Yes, kakainin natin ito mamaya, Gani. Don't worry. Sana okay siya. I mean, ramen na naman. Ate Ayas. Yes, mana kay Gani Cookers. Yes, di ba may pa-audience? Si Gwenny. Gwenny reveal, no, she cannot come down. So, nasa third floor lang po siya and hanggang civic lang po siya. So, now, we still have to be isolated for now. But ako... Thank you, rest na po kayo. Bye-bye. Thank you po. Bye. Bye.
outreach program kayo. Ito yung gusto mo gawin, Mary. Mabaliw kayo. Sana napasaya ka namin. Siyempre, alam niyo ba, na dati, palagi ko sinasabi, one of my goals is to have a shelter or like charity, ganon. So, this project na ginawa niyo, sobrang Umiyak. Bakit ko umiyak?
Grabe, what is up with this night? Grabe, pagkapasok ko pa lang sa live na to, umiyak agad ako. Wow! Soft R's talaga. First time ko ito ma-try. Oh my God. Because you know, before, ayoko talaga na umiyak in front of people, but it's so nice to cry. So I'm just gonna cry it out, and it's good for my soul. It's good for this soul. So, I hope people out there know. I hope you guys, ano mo yung tinitigalan nyo, yung iyak nyo. Kasi you're scared that people would see you and would see you na parang weak just because you're crying. No, there's so much, I tell you, there's so much strength in crying because I know you're letting people show your vulnerable side and you're expressing yourself. You're letting everyone show that you're a human being, that you have emotions and feelings too. So it's okay. Diba? Ayan. So mag-iyakan tayo. Iyakan tayo tonight. Damayan niyo ako. No. It's normal to cry. And don't be scared. Don't be scared to cry.
I hope, kasi kanina ang daming nagko-comment na stress, pagod, ganon. I hope everybody will get the rest that they need. Do whatever that you need to do. Not just want to do, but you need to do for the sake of your sanity, for the sake of your mental health, emotional, physical, spiritual self. Yes, do it. If kahit for you parang kahit it will not make sense for other people, basta as long as it's good, do it because you need it. You know, if example para sa'yo, working out at 2 a.m. is like what works for you, then do it. I mean, it would not make sense for other people, but that's what I used to do sometimes, especially nung nasa kampa kami. I would work out 3 a.m. kasi hindi ako makatulog unless if hindi ako makapag-workout. Ganun. Yeah. But it's what calmed me at that moment. So, yeah. If it means that you have to eat a tub of ice cream, then do it. Are you hurting other people? No? If no, then do it. As long as you're not hurting anybody, or and if you're not hurting yourself. So do it. You do you. Okay? Alright.
Pero naaawa din ako dun. Alam niyo, umiyak ako nung isang beses na nakita ko. Meron kasi dito sa may QAV. May stoplight kasi dyan. Basta dun sa
makalampas ng Torre Venecia, may stoplight doon. Basta palabas, anong pangalan nun? King, yung shaky sa QAV, yung katabi nun King bla bla, yung malaki. King, sino may alam? King the Land? Yun ba yun? Huh? King Jones? Hindi! Ano ba yun? Basta dun sa paggaling ka ng ABS, lalabas ka, basta kahalera ng Fisher Mall. Kahalera ng Fisher Mall, yung Shakey's. Doon, dun kasi sa stoplight na yun, lagi kami naabutan doon ng tigil kasi palagi. Tapos, may matanda. Grabe yung iyak ko talaga, guys. Hindi ko kinaya. Ang sakit-sakit lang sa puso na grabe yung... Wala lang, parang ang hirap maging mahirap. Naiyak na naman ako. Pag talaga ako yumaman, pag kaya ko bigyan ng bahay, yung mga walang bahay sa kalsada, bibigyan ko talaga. Naman umiyak ka na wala ko eh. Kaya di ba nakakaawa sila? Paano pag umuulan? Saan sila nagsistay? Kaya kayo lang siya. Huwag niyong gagawin sa mga magulang niyo, ha? Magugutom lalo ako nito.
Siyempre, nandun naman yung girls. And they did well. Diba? Ang galing-galing nila. Sobrang galing nila, guys. Alam niyo kung hindi ako Billy, feeling ko Bloom din ako. As in, ang galing. Live vocals, dance.
I hope that Beanie will stay longer by my side and not leave me too soon.
Mix, are you okay? I'm great. She's great but she's crying. Kaya crying. Ganyan yan, pero alam mo, grabe rin yung ilang yan, kanina pa. Ay, kasi sinasabi na parang bakit ako yung grabe na yan? Nakita ko kasi yung kapatid ko. Biglang umiyak rin na yan, oh. Oh, yan, spotlight ka dyan. Hi, Kuya! Nakalagay is advice for teens that want to be future P-pop stars such as me. Can I say the name? What's it from?
Go ahead.
It is from Gab Montemayo. Hello, if nandito ka. Yeah, my advice, I guess, just, it may sound very simple and cliche, but just be yourself. Kasi, like kami Bini, we're just our unapologetic selves, and yun yung gusto namin and gusto ng mga tao, yung nakita yung iba-ibang sides. Tapos, don't be scared to try new things. Don't be scared to try and learn stuff kahit wala kang experience, kahit wala kang knowledge, pero that's how you're gonna learn if you just try. Yes. Yun lang.
Thank you. Beautiful message. Thank you so much, Aya. And thank you to the letter senders. Is that Gab, right?
Yes, Gab.
Gab. Thank you, Gab.
Gab.
Stacy.
Okay. To Beanie, thank you for all the music that you made. It saved me from Trees? T-R-E-E-S-E. Thank you so much po. Kasi happy yung hearts namin kasi nakaka-inspire kami ng mga tao through our music. We love you, Blooms. We will give you more.
Thank you. How about you, Joanna?
Yes, from Angel. Hi, Beanie. Thank you for bringing joy with your music and personality. Mahal ko kayo. We love you, Blooms. And thank you also for supporting us. Hindi lang yung music namin, pero thank you for always supporting us individually sa mga, alam mo yun, may mga solo ganaps man kami. Alam mo yun, hindi nyo pinaparamdam sa amin na may mahal kayong isa lang sa amin kasi ramdam na ramdam namin na lahat kayo OTA talaga and all our hearts. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's go with Manoy.
Hi, my walo. I'm Patrick Dewey Juan. I'm so happy na nakilala ko kayo. You mean a lot to me since you saved me from being stressed, depressed, and pressured in my life. I know malayo pa ako, but I know na nandyan kayo to cheer me up. I wish for your health and safety always. The more years with you, mahal ko kayo. Toothy, thank you. Toothy. We love you, Patrick Dewey Juan. Whatever you're going through, dito lang kaming Beanie for you.
How about your birthday girl?
Okay, dear OTA, this is Kier or Kerr. I love you, Beanie. Thank you for always being my unpaid therapist. Will always support you till my last breath. Continue to inspire. Take care always of us. Ayun. Thank you. Alam niyo, mga ganitong letters, kinikip talaga namin, Beanie. Meron ako isang box na mga letters. Thank you. Thank you, Blue.
Maraming salamat sa pagbabasa at pag-video react sa mensahe na yan. Thank you. Mika.
Hi, Walo. Thank you for being the breath of fresh air for us struggling with our mental health. Thank you. I found you all when I needed saving. Please continue to smile and inspire others. Maraming salamat at mahal ko kayo, Colette, Gwen, Aya, Manoy, Mika, Stacy, Sheena, and Joe. From Kai at Kyra Gail. Ano ba? Kyra Gail. Oh.
Oh, she's there. Maraming salamat. Uy!
Uy! Parang okay naman pala siya.
Okay naman pala siya eh.
It's really heartwarming that we hear these messages that we save you guys and we pull you out of the dark times, and it's an honor and we hope to continue to do the same things every time we release songs or every time you see us.
Thank you. Especially, alam, okay ka pa? All good pa? Or, can I say din na, naging okay ka lalo dahil sa kanila? Oh, okay na okay. Maraming salamat sa mga sulat niya and also to Mika. Gwenny.
Hello girls! Sinama ako ni Kuya kasi nahihiya siya pumunta mag-isa. Kaya nga di ko alam kung paano ko gusto. At wala rin pangalan kung sino
Sinama ako ni Kuya kasi nahihiya siya pumunta mag-isa.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Ako sinamahan, di ba? Andito?
Asan si Kuya? Hello, Kuya. Kuya Ricky. Kuya, next time huwag ka nang pumahingi yan. Di naman ipaparamdam ng blooms na kalabi ni mag-isa ka.
Ano pala sa ayaw tumayo ni Kuya nahiya pa rin. Thank you. And, Gina.
Hi, Bini Colette. Para sa kanya lang to. iwan ka ha. Okay. Belated happy birthday! Thank you for inspiring me through your song, especially Carrera. It will be my medicine song every time I feel left out in life. Padayon, may walo. Padayon, may walo from Ina Reyna.
Anyways, yuck! Enough it's of ours. May assignment pa ako. I cannot be mag-record pa ako. Barado na ilong ko. Gusto na ako pag mag-recording. Yeah, felt. Yuck! Wala pa na ako mag-record. Ano ba yan? Bakit niyo ako sinabihan sa Tatak Star Magic? Kasalanan niyo pala to, Blose. Oh my God! Hala, huy! May shoot kami bukas, huy!